So we're just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Dogecoin right now finally closing above this big fair value gap that's been holding it down for the past 5 or 6 days. As you can see, Dogecoin here looking like it wants to come back up towards this high and continue, but altcoins in general looking quite weak, to be honest, considering that Bitcoin right now is at all-time highs again. As you can see here, Bitcoin at all-time highs, coming up and making a new all-time high of 126.3k, and Dogecoin here really struggling to even make half the gains that Bitcoin's made over the past few weeks. Bitcoin really stealing the show and probably the liquidity at the minute, to be honest. On the hourly time frame here, if you look at the comparison between Bitcoin and Dogecoin, the difference is pretty stark. As you can see, Bitcoin come down, swept liquidity through all this trendline liquidity here, absolutely mooned to the upside, ripping through all these levels of resistance. As you can see, all these fair value gaps, crazy move all the way to the all-time high. And right now looking like it wants to bounce again out of this previous bullish fair value gap that we've been bouncing out of here. Still looking like it wants to move bullish for the next few days at least. Interesting to see how this opens up going into Tuesday, New York Open in about 4.5 hours from now. Dogecoin though, as you can see, has only really come back up and regained 50% of that drop that we saw. And meanwhile, Bitcoin's doing this and just absolutely ripping up to a new all-time high. Dogecoin here just kind of grinding up here and struggling to get back up through these levels of resistance. But we have closed above this daily fair value gap now, which is holding down price. And provided that Bitcoin doesn't dump the market, I would probably expect Dogecoin to start moving up here back up towards this local swing high. I think it makes total sense considering the fact that Dogecoin is basically just, in my opinion, probably one of the most bullish cryptos over this cycle. You can see this bear market accumulation, continuation, and now we're looking for that final continuation. Obviously this year we have been having the issues with the tariffs in America. We've obviously had the tariff dump and we've kind of been grinding to the upside over the summer really for Dogecoin here, looking like it wants to go up like this and continue. We're gonna have to wait and see if the market in general is allowed. But right now, Dogecoin here, in my opinion, just looking like basically it wants to go up, but the altcoin space is looking weak. So as always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.